Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download crypto.com on your desktop or your on your PC. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first thing you gotta do is open up your particular browser, and over here in the search section type in crypto.com wallet extension. Once you have done that, you will find this one particular search option available. You're going to tap on this crypto.com wallet extension on Chrome or web store. Once you have done that, then finally you will find this option of add to Chrome on your right section. Once you do that, you're going to see this option of add extension. If you need it, yes, it can be the change all data on our website, display notification, etc. Tap on add extension. Your extensions will be added to your Chrome itself. Now when you want to simply use it on the desktop, you can simply open up and you can open the extension, and then you can simply start using it accordingly. This is the only way available. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.